Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I am here at Royale High. Today I am going to... Right now it's almost dance time and I am super happy about that. And come on, let's go swim up. I don't want to sit there. Okay. Anyway. Gotta swim all the way up. Okay, I'm gonna swim all the way up and I'm gonna change my clothes. I need to get ready. Oh, I'm still... That's silly of me. I need to lock it. Okay, good. So right now, I'm in my mermaid tail. Okay, anyway, let's get my mermaid tail off. I need to hide my tail. I need to go to clothes. And, should I wear... What should I wear for the day? I think I should wear that, and then I'm going to go to my skirts. And let's see if I can get a bow dress. I'm going to make it this blue. Ugh. I don't have enough. Do I really? Custom colors. I'm going to make them blue and then I'll go lightness. No. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Or should I make it black? I'm gonna do this. But maybe I should, I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm going to remove my skirt, then I'm going to do my wings. I'm going to go for a dark fairy. Teleport to a school dance. I love these wings. I'm gonna just like run up there and go to a limbo. Limbo. Okay. I'm on here. Yay! Nice limbo wing you got. 25 diamonds. Yes. Thank you. Sarah, you are looking great tonight. Let's party. Yes. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. I'm like, yes. And a dunk, and a dunk, and a dunk, and a dunk, and a dunk. I don't know what song. Well, it's not really a song. It's just something that I just got in my head and I was like, let's sing that. I really don't like singing in front of people, but I don't like singing when no one's around me. Anyway, let's get that out of the way. Hey Sarah, how you doing? I am doing so great at limboing. I'm just going to fly around. Who's gonna be queen and who's gonna be king? What is this stuff? Wait, I wanna see if there's like a secret thing up there. Oh no. There's a secret thing. Ooh. You guys. Ah, woo! That was fun. What are you saying? I have never won. I will vote for you. Or she. Wait, is she? Vote for you. Give you all diamonds. Please vote for... I don't know. I might go for... How do I say this? Gymnast tiger girl? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh, these two look like twins. Are you guys twins? You guys look like twins. Jay. Oh, I like cookies. Cookie, I'm gonna vote for you. It says cook. I thought it said cookie. Ooh. Monster House. Oh, snap. I just voted for Sarah in Monster House. I'm gonna go up there. And Guys, you're not supposed to be up here. I'll vote for you guys next time. Just get out. Jay, cute, likes nice people. Oh, I am a nice person. I'm gonna put... Hey. Monster. Well, anyway, let's just go up there and find a dorm. Monster House. No. No. I want someone to be like my partner. Is that Sarah? Yeah, Sarah and I could room together. Let me get my keys. Let me get my keys. Keys. Aww. You just go like keys. Aww. I want to see her room, but I don't want to be nosy to my friend. Friend. PJs, and then I am going to wear this tank top and shorts for bed. Yeah, then I'm gonna put my hair up. I'm gonna put my hair up. Okay, here's what I wear for bedtime. I wear my braid. Braid. Hey, Sarah. Hi. Hey. Hey, Sarah. Sarah. It's hi, me. Have a good sleep. You too. Night. Wait, my recording's stopping.